All right, this is my 10-gallon grow bag. Check out those are not sweet potatoes. I was about to say that, wishful thinking, because sweet potatoes are my favorite, but I don't have any that have sprouts on them yet. This is the first one that I have planted. Now I've already added soil to it. See, already added some soil. Now this one is the second one that I planted, and it needs soil. You see how far down in there the soil is. Yeah, hopefully that gives it a good shot there. Yeah. So, and here is the last ones that I planted. Look at that. Now that's way down there. And you see that little transparent hole there? That is for the sun. It gets sun. I position it where it can get the sun and hit it on that side over there, and it's working pretty good. I like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna add soil, and you guys have a great day. It was just an update.